Hey guys, today I picked up a Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and I'm going to be unboxing it. So while I unbox it, I'll tell you why I got this. So, I've been wanting a Galaxy tablet again for a little while. This lid feels pretty cheap, honestly. I hate to say that as my first impressions, but, wow. This looks good. Has a Samsung cloth. That is light. And by light, I mean that is light. Wow. That's really thin. So I'm gonna keep this right here, I think, for now. Never mind, it doesn't want to stay there. It's going off to the side. So next we have some Samsung documents, and there is actually a micro SD card tray in this. So the tray comes out. I don't think this is cellular though. We have our S Pen right here, which while I'm probably not going to be using this, it is helpful to unbox it. So here it is, and honestly this feels like the iPad's Apple Pencil a bit. Pretty good, feels alright. You know, I might use this. I'm not sure how it charges. I think it has batteries up there. So next we have this thing, which is not even a fast charger. Just a USB, A brick. And a USB-C to USB-A cable. I'm going to keep this in here. I'm going to try my Google Pixel charger with it. And if that works, then it works. If not, then oh well. Because this is not even fast charging. I'm guessing that's going to take, overnight to charge. So yeah, here it is. Already getting cat hair in the box. But yeah, I'm gonna put this lid back on. Oh wait, no, one thing that we have to do is take it out of this right here. So, how does this come off? Oh god. Yeah, you can tell that I haven't done an unboxing video in a couple years. Alright, and here it is. So I got this in the black color. USB-C, headphone jack, even though that's probably never going to be used on this, at least by me. And, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a review on this, but this is actually, pretty high quality from what it feels like. And, yeah. So there is some, plastic around the edges, but I'll take that off. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed. So, goodbye.